guys! You say hi guys muna na. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! Ang Nintendo.
Not yours.
Not your toy. Kay Tito Miguel yan. Hi guys! You say hi guys muna na. Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. It's November 11, Wednesday. And everybody's busy guys. Busy sila sa Shopee. Hindi naman kami makapasok. Sobrang busy. At saka downtime ang globe. Kaya pahirapan guys. Anyway, dahil doon, you want to eat? Nagutom kami guys and we're craving for Korean chicken. And dahil may ingredients naman kami guys, so we will try our experimental Korean chicken. We'll see guys kung anong lasa niya. So I'll see you later. Fry natin siya again for a double fry. So, I'll catch you later. Hi guys! So finally, naluto na siya guys! Amazing! Ayan o. Actually guys, yung plan lang namin lutuin is the Korean chicken. Nag-crave kami. Last 2 weeks ago, we went to a Korean restaurant. So we tried their Korean chicken. So nag-crave kami guys. So at least meron naman tayong ingredients. Kaya ito na siya guys. Perfect! Oh, yummy! And dahil meron din kaming extra ingredients for the cheesy garlic chicken. Yan guys, yummy! So we've tried it already. Tinry din namin guys. And in fairness naman, credits to Miguel. Siya po ang nagluto talaga nitong cheesy garlic chicken. Anyway, nanood naman ako guys, so alam ko rin. And if you like this recipe, I'll put down on the description box below.
Like nyo, may commission ako dyan.
Para makaluto din kayo guys. Kasi sobrang simple lang. Anyway, may video naman dyan guys. I will insert the clip. Then, description box for the ingredients. Anyway, we'll try it. Taste test guys! Where? Ito. drumstick. So, naghugas ako ng kamay, guys. Don't worry, kinamay ko na and all. We'll try the crisp of the chicken. Yummy! And sobrang anghang niya, guys. Kasi 2 spoon ng gochujang ang nilagay ko. Sobrang yummy, guys. Manghang.
Siyempre, malamang. Sili yan, di ba?
Then, we'll try also the cheesy garlic chicken.
20 yung piraso.
Love it!
The joke.
Ayan siya, guys. Ow, yummy!
I guess, crunchy pa rin siya na kanina pa.
Kaya nga, yung secret ng crunchiness niya, guys, is for yung twice mo siyang i-fry. Yun. So, perfect, guys. Ayan na, messy na ako. Anyway, guys, gutom na ako. Like, it's almost 9 p.m. kami natapos magluto. Gutom na talaga, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat, guys. God bless everyone. See you later. Bye!